Welcome, everyone. Warm welcome to my grandmas and retired women warriors. How are we? Donna here from the beautiful northern rivers of New South Wales in Australia. And I'm your super nan with Retirement Solutions. So it's so good to be here today. Thank you for joining me. I want to talk to you today a little bit about the backbone to our blueprint. So I think that, we talk about the step-by-step process and how it's a successful system. And I really want to share with you a little bit more on that today. So this is really what ties everything together and ensures that, that everybody succeeds. And it's really that simple. So that's what it's about. Today, our system's designed, to let you know that it is designed with you in mind. And if you can follow a recipe, Grandma, you can follow this system. It's exactly the same. 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of flour. This is open the video, click here. It's exactly the same. And so, this is why it's so easy for everyone to succeed in this. And you can follow this guide with that simplicity. And here's what makes it really special. Well, it's clear, jargon-free instructions. So none of that heavy tech talk that confuses the living daylights out of everyone, me included. I'm not tech savvy at all. And so the fact that this is in simple terms so that you and I can watch this video and see it absolutely creates a simplicity in the system. And the video tutorials for those people that are more visual learners, let me say that these videos are so simple, literally 2-3 minutes long. And oh, just checking this is still live because my phone just fell off by the looks of things. Oh no, are we still live? Okay, yes, it looks like we're still live. I really don't know what happened there, but anyway, just checking that everything is still going through. Just give me a comment, let me know you're good to watch, and that would be fantastic. So yes, so literally, it shows you what you need to do in order to get things done. And you get 24/7 support, not just from our community, because there's people from all around the world, but you get access to me, not 24/7, I do sleep, but it's absolutely something that, you can message me, and it doesn't matter where you are in the world. If you don't want to ask in the community and you can wait till I get up, then that's absolutely fine. I'm here to help you and support you every step of the way. So we also walk you through things that don't normally happen when you get into these systems. Personalizing your emails to market. So we give you the emails, they're all done for you. They're written, it's just a click of a button. And yes, again, we show you where to click. And all you have to do is literally edit that to put your name, sign off with your signature. That's it. And, these emails have been proven to work in the past. So it's absolutely fantastic that they're given to us. And, your digital shop's all done. It's all managed. There is no there's small little things that you have to adjust, like who you are, obviously, as part of your website, we show you with those videos again how to do that. And tracking your income and growth, that's all in front of you. So you can see exactly where it is and what it does for you. And the beauty of this system is that it grows with you. So, you know, as you become more confident and you can take on more advanced strategies, which, by the way, is all in our step-by-step guide, you can take on, you know, the 90-day legacy run, for example, is phenomenal training. And these videos go for 5 minutes, maybe. But the information that we get from those is absolutely $1 million worth. And it's to help you grow and to help you grow your business and your income as well. So I just want to show you quickly what that looks like. So I'm just going to jump on Zoom and I'm going to share my screen so that you've got that there. And you know, this is pretty much your website. It's all done for you. So you get everything here. Your website is all done for you. As you can see, there's all the modules, but like I said, the modules, the videos go for literally, you know, you might get 1 or 2 that are longer than normal, but it's literally there for you. So it shows you exactly what you do. You get these exclusive bonuses as well on how to market, how to do faceless marketing. It's just a phenomenal package. The Legacy Builder has it all. But also, I want to share with you our community. Our community is, you know, growing all the time. We now have 33,500 people in this community. This is about, look, $1,000 in 11 days. It's here where somebody said they have a win, but it's not a sale. It was about doing something within setting up the system. And, you know, they wanted to share that. And the people that come in and respond to that are so inspiring, you know, and give you confidence to keep going. And somebody else got another $900 sale. You know, somebody got their first customer. That, you know, the support that goes around, that's phenomenal. You know, first 2 leads, you know, this is not even about a sale. This is about getting your system up and running and showing the leads that are in there. I mean, the support that you get and the way that everybody adds confidence to you because it's all in there, you know, it's just, this is what you get. It's just what we do. And, you know, the community just is something worth having. Our webinars when they're on, you know, this is part of the 90-day run, payment plan, how to do that. Like, there's so much information. It's just incredible. And I just wanted to really share that with you because I think for a lot of us, it's about, you know, being able to show you exactly how it works. So tomorrow, I want to talk to you a little bit more about how to manage your time effectively with this online business. And, you know, it's about creating the freedom that you want to, you know, so that you don't have to go to work or find another job. You know, grandmas and retired women, we don't want to be out there looking for a job at our age. We want to be able to do something that we can do effectively in 2 hours a day. And I'm really going to give you the information around how that works tomorrow so that you get to really enjoy what we're doing and see the real information. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Supernan signing off with Your Tired Solutions, and I'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget, comment ready if you want the details. Bye for now.